The word for tasty or fresh, which is 鲜, is combined with the words for fish and sheep. Check it out. I'm shoving the sheep leg into the fish's gut today. Today, we cook up a 2,000-year-old legendary dish, mutton hidden in fish belly. In Chinese, Bong! Word is, everyone who's had this dish says it's hella fresh. So this dish gotta be fire too. First off, we gotta yank out the bones of the yellow croaker with scissors. The fish gotta look perfect, not a scratch on it. Then we dig out the innards. Second master. Go get a yellow croaker and bring it back. The fish is bought and brought back. It wasn't until it got dark that the fish was bought and brought back. The last fish. You're bound to succeed if you handle it while sitting. Come, this time it should be a success. I guess I made it, just barely. Then dunk it in the scallion and ginger water, and the key part is all wrapped up. Once it is all set, hack up the mutton and fry it up good. Then stuff that cooked mutton into the fish's gut. And then wrap it with a layer of tin foil. Then roast it with charcoal. A dish of mutton stuffed fish belly that's so fresh it's off the chain is done.